everyone, welcome back to the Shell Hair and I'm Sakshi, your hair extension bestie. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because हम लाने वाले हैं ढेर सारे extension styling tips. Today we're going to talk about 5 common mistakes people make when wearing hair extensions. So without any further ado, let's get into it. First up is using the wrong texture of extensions. It is very necessary to know कि आपके बालों का texture कैसा है, whether they are straight, curly or wavy, ताकि जब भी आप कोई extension wear करें तो वो आपके natural बालों के साथ perfectly blend हो जाए. If आपके बाल straight texture के हैं तो आपको extensions भी straight texture का ही purchase करना है. But please remember that since हमारे सारे products 100% Indian human hair से बने हैं, so उनका original texture wavy ही होता है. जब आप straight texture order करते हैं तो हम आपको straight करके देते हैं. So after washing them, they might turn into their original texture which is wavy. But no worries, you can use a straightening iron since हमारे सारे product 100% human hair से बने हैं, so they are heat resistant. So if आपके बाल straight texture के हैं, just remember to straight them first and then wear. If आपके बाल wavy texture के हैं, then just take your extensions, spray some water on them and scrunch it a little to give a perfect wavy texture. And if आपके बाल curly texture के हैं, then no need to use any heat styling tools क्योंकि curly hair extensions curly texture में ही आते हैं and they won't turn into wavy texture after wash. Second common mistake is choosing the wrong hair color. Knowing your right hair color is very important. If you have black hair जो कि sunlight में थोड़े brown visible होते हैं, then you should go for natural black color. If you have all brown hair or light brown hair, then you should go for natural brown color. Or if you have all black hair जो कि sunlight या moonlight दोनों में ही black है, then you should go for jet black color. Once you are clear with all these points, then it will be very easy for you to choose your perfect hair extension. Point number 3 is incorrect installation. Hair extensions को wear करना बहुत easy है. You can even do it at your home. But first you need to know कि आपकी hair thinning किस side है. Whether it's your crown area, scalp, sides, back of the hair. When you are clear with all these things, then it will be very easy for you to wear them. Let's suppose कि आपकी hair thinning scalp के side है. Then you should go for hair toppers. These are specially designed to cover your scalp and the nearby areas. But please do note कि hair toppers आपको volume provide नहीं करेंगे end तक because इनकी density low होती जाती है. These are meant to cover your scalp only. If you want more voluminous hair, then go for volumizers. These are meant to provide volume to your hair till the end. To wear volumizers, you just have to part your back hair and just clip it in. I always recommend choosing 100% human hair extensions because वो synthetic hair से ज़्यादा premium look देते हैं और easily आपके बालों के साथ blend भी हो जाते हैं. Fourth mistake is not blending your extensions properly. For that, you need to comb your hair first, take the extensions and detangle them before and after the use. Now, as I previously mentioned, that if you purchase human hair extensions, then you can use heat styling tools as well. If you have straight hair, you can use a straightening iron. And if you have wavy hair, then you can just spray some water and scrunch it since a bit. If you have curly hair, you can buy curly texture extensions and trust me, they won't turn into wavy texture after the wash. And lastly, when you have installed your clip-in extensions, you just need to comb them and blend them properly with your natural hair. Now last but not the least, the 5th common mistake, which is poor maintenance. Please remember that you don't need to wash your hair extensions frequently. If you're using them occasionally, then once in a month or 2 is enough. But if you're using them regularly in daily life, then you just need to wash them once in 15 days. But no need to use any harsh chemical shampoos. You just use sulfate-free shampoo or you can even wash them with conditioner or hair spa. But please remember, wash your extensions only if you feel like they need it. Also, I will advise to not wear your extensions while sleeping because they might get tangled in your hair. Once you have washed them, let them dry completely, comb it and then store them in a satin pouch or a plastic zip bag. And whenever you feel like you need your hair extensions, just take them out, comb them and then wear your extensions. And that's it. These were the 5 common mistakes that people generally make while wearing hair extensions. But now that you have seen this video, I hope that you don't make these mistakes. For more such hair extension advices, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like, share, comment on this video. And I'll see you in the next video soon. Till then, goodbye.